sweets. My apologies because I was away. First of all, I take a couple of days off and then I was sick, so I'm sorry for that. That's why I really wanted to start with a short video. That's why I already done my base, so we're gonna focus only in the eyes and then the lips. So this is gonna be a really fast and quick video. I'm gonna use my BH Cosmetic Glam Reflections Gilded palette. And first of all, this also as well is gonna be a voiceover video. So I'm gonna start by using my Sephora Pro 57 brush to take care of the creases that I have in my lid because I haven't set my concealer. Then I'm gonna start this eye look by using the lightest shade in this palette. It's kind of a bone white. Using my Linda Halbert 304 brush, I'm gonna apply it over my crease and I'm gonna blend it at the same time. Then I'm gonna go with this Toast Peach color using the same brush, and I'm gonna apply it and blend it at the same time. This is over and a little bit higher than my natural crease to help my hooded eyes. Then I'm gonna go with another Toast Yellow, but this one I'm gonna apply it in tapping motions in my lid to get as much pigment as I can from this color. And then I'm gonna try to blend the hard edges that I developed from the three colors that I already applied in my eye. Then I'm gonna go with the peach color and I'm gonna apply with the same brush, the Linda Halbert 304 brush. First I'm gonna tap it and then I'm gonna start blending the hard edges that I have to blend everything together. Then using a clean brush, which is the RLM Moda Pro 430 brush, I'm gonna blend the hard edges that I have in my eye. Then with the same brush, I'm gonna use a kind of a brown color and I'm gonna apply it in my outer corner just to give a little more definition to my eye. Then I'm gonna go and use this golden foil shadow and I'm gonna apply it with my fingertip to get as much pigment as I can in my lid. This I'm applying it in the inner part of my eye on top of the yellowy color that I had, and then I'm gonna use the RLM Moda Pro 430 brush to blend and take out any hard edges that I have. Now I'm gonna use my Colourpop Creme Gel Liner in Best O and I'm gonna apply it in my waterline and I'm gonna tight line my lashes as well. Then I'm gonna take the darkest shades in this palette, which is this brown, and using my Aesthetica Angle Brow brush, I'm gonna apply it in my bottom lashes until the half of them, and I'm gonna try to do like a little bit of a smudge liner, but just in the outer part of my eye, and I'm gonna take it out a little bit further, looking for kind of a cat eye but not entirely. Now using again the peachy shade with my Basanti Contour eyeshadow in number 4 brush, I'm gonna blend and buff my bottom part and I'm gonna apply it entirely from one corner to the other corner of my eye and make sure that I can smoke it out as much as I can. Then using this light gold color, I'm gonna apply it in my inner corner to pop that area with my Crown and Detail shadow brush, and I'm gonna apply it as well in my brow bone. Then using the Vintage Lash Curler, I'm gonna curl my lashes. For falsies, I'm gonna use my Azeredo Cosmetics Lash Collection in the style Hollywood. I'm gonna apply my lash glue and I'm gonna press first the center and then I'm gonna secure the sides of my lashes. For mascara, I'm gonna use my Superhero from the It Cosmetic. First, I'm gonna apply in my top lashes and then I'm gonna do my bottom part. I'm gonna line my lip and I'm gonna use my Rimmel London Exaggerated Full Color Lip Liner in Obsession. First, I'm gonna draw my Cupid's bow and then I'm gonna draw the side of my bottom lip. Then I'm gonna do the same in my bottom. First, I'm gonna start with the center and then I'm gonna draw my sides. As soon as I finish this, I'm gonna fill a little bit my lips, top and bottom, first the corners and then a little bit in the center. For lipstick, I'm gonna go with my NYX Lingerie LIPLI 12 in the color Exotic, and I'm gonna do the same thing. First, I'm gonna do my Cupid's bow, then I'm gonna do the sides of my top lip, and then I'm gonna do exactly the same thing in my bottom and fill my lip entirely. Then I'm gonna use my Stila Magnificent Metal in Rose Quartz, and I'm gonna apply it only in the center of top and bottom lip. And to finish and to set everything together, make sure that this makeup lasts, I'm gonna go with my Milani Make It Do It setting spray. So sweets, this completes our video. I hope you like it. I just wanted to do something nice and easy and quick to just get out of the door. Remember to press the thumbs up if you like it. Also remember to press the bell button to get notified every time I upload a video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it already, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.